There is one practice that is essential in our journey towards spiritual growth. This practice of observation is like a quiet hero in the diverse world of spiritual paths. Simple in concept, observation involves just watching our thoughts, feelings, and the world around us with a keen, attentive mind. Yet this simplicity is deceptive. Behind it lies a powerful force that can transform us deeply. By observing, we begin to understand ourselves better. We see the hidden threads of thoughts and emotions that guide our actions, often without us even realizing it. This self-awareness is a crucial first step in growing spiritually. It's like turning on a light in a dark room. Suddenly, we see everything clearly. This clarity is what wakes us up, helping us to grow and evolve in profound ways. So while it may seem like a small thing, observation is truly the cornerstone of our spiritual journey, unlocking doors to a deeper understanding of ourselves and the universe. Observation is the first step in awakening our self-awareness. Our minds are like intricate webs, buzzing with thoughts, emotions, and reactions. It's easy to get lost in this maze without even realizing it. This is where observation plays a crucial role. It's like holding a mirror to our inner self, revealing the patterns and habits we often overlook. We start noticing how certain thoughts trigger specific emotions and how our ego shapes our reactions. This understanding is a light that brightens our inner world, making us more aware of who we are and why we do what we do. This self-awareness is vital for spiritual growth. It's like having a map of our inner landscape. With it, we can navigate our thoughts and emotions more skillfully. We become more responsible for our actions, choosing responses instead of reacting impulsively. This conscious evolution is the essence of spiritual growth, growing wiser, kinder, and more connected to the truth of who we are. Observation, therefore, isn't just a practice. It's a journey of discovering the depth of our being. Building on the theme of self-awareness through observation, another critical aspect of our spiritual journey is transcending duality. Our everyday life is often a play of contrasts, right versus wrong, good against bad, joy in contrast to sorrow. These dualities can trap us in a cycle of endless judgment and emotional turmoil. But when we practice observation, we start to see beyond these black and white divisions. By simply watching our thoughts and feelings, we begin to understand their transient, fleeting nature. They come and go like waves on the shore, leaving us to realize that these opposites are not as solid or permanent as they seem. This understanding is a significant step in spiritual growth. It allows us to perceive the unity that underlies all our experiences. Instead of being pulled back and forth by every wave of emotion or thought, we learn to embrace the entire spectrum of our experiences without getting entangled. This ability to see beyond duality brings a profound sense of peace and connectedness with the world, a key milestone in our spiritual evolution. In recognizing the impermanent nature of these polarities, we open ourselves to a more harmonious and unified perspective of life. As we continue our spiritual journey, observation extends beyond our inner self to the world around us, playing a vital role in cultivating compassion. When we observe others, we're not just passively watching, we're actively connecting with their lives. This practice of observing goes beyond mere seeing. It involves understanding and empathizing with the joys, struggles, and everyday experiences of others. This shift in perspective is crucial for spiritual growth. By recognizing the common threads in our lives, we start to break down the walls of separation that divide us. Compassion flows from understanding that everyone, just like us, experiences pain, happiness, challenges, and triumphs. This empathy creates a sense of interconnectedness, a fundamental realization that we are all part of a larger human story. Cultivating compassion through observation enriches our spiritual path. It teaches us to approach life with a kinder, more understanding heart. We learn to extend the same patience and love to others that we seek for ourselves. In essence, compassion is the bridge that connects self-awareness and the understanding of others, an essential step in the evolution of our spiritual selves. Continuing our spiritual journey through the practice of observation, we arrive at a profound realization, the appreciation of the divine in everything around us. Observation isn't just about internal or external awareness. It's about connecting with the sacredness of life. By quieting our minds and opening our hearts to the world, we begin to see the extraordinary in the ordinary, the rustling leaves, the rhythm of the ocean, or a simple act of kindness. Each becomes a window to the divine. This practice of observing with a quiet mind and an open heart brings us closer to the essence of spirituality. We start to experience a sense of awe and wonder at the complexities and beauties of life. Recognizing the divine in all aspects of existence is more than an intellectual understanding. It's a heartfelt recognition that everything is interconnected and sacred. This appreciation of the divine is crucial for spiritual growth. It shifts our perspective from seeing the world as mundane to viewing it as a miraculous expression of the divine. This shift deepens our connection to life, instills a sense of gratitude, and nurtures a profound respect for the mysteries of existence. In this way, observation becomes a gateway to a richer, more spiritually attuned way of living. Finally, the practice of observation aids us in releasing attachment, a vital step in our spiritual growth. By observing our thoughts and emotions, we become acutely aware of their impermanent nature. Like clouds passing in the sky, these mental and emotional states are transient, constantly changing. This realization is liberating. It teaches us to detach from desires, memories, and expectations that often tether us to past regrets or future anxieties. Learning to live in the present moment is the essence of spiritual freedom. Freed from the chains of attachment, we open ourselves to the full experience of life, embracing each moment with freshness and clarity. This ability to let go, nurtured through observation, is not just about relinquishing material possessions or external desires. It's about finding peace and contentment with the ever-changing landscape of our inner world. Such is the transformative power of observation in our spiritual journey. Observation is more than a passive act. It's an active engagement with the world and ourselves. It's the pathway to self-discovery, helping us to dissolve the illusion of separation and connect more deeply with the divine essence of life. This practice is not a temporary fix, but a lifelong journey, offering endless opportunities for growth and insight. Each moment, each breath is a chance to observe, understand, and evolve. As we continue on this path, let's remember that the practice of observation is an ongoing one. Each day, each experience is an invitation to deepen our understanding of ourselves and our connection to the world around us. By embracing observation in our daily lives, we open ourselves to a continual process of spiritual awakening, finding greater meaning, peace, and joy in the journey. This is often done in solitude, so if you would like to understand the importance of being alone on your spiritual journey, be sure to check out the next video. Also, be sure to subscribe to the channel and tell us about your spiritual journey in the comments.